you want to see restoration in this nation, you want to see this nation come back to God and prosper, then men, you'd better return your hearts to God, return your hearts to your children, return your hearts to your wives and to your family, to provide for them, to guide for them, and to be a leader to them. Because as 1 Timothy chapter 5, verse 8 says, that if you do not provide for your own, and especially to your own household, you have denied the faith and are worse than an unbeliever. It's pretty strong words from God for a man who will not take care of his family.